How to calculate daily feed intake in catfish. In this video, we are going to learn how to determine the daily food intake, but we are going to use 1000 pieces in order for us to determine how to calculate the body weight, which will now result to us getting the actual food intake by the fishes. The first thing you do is collect samples of fishes from the pond using your net, basket, or any other means. 2. Weigh the sample fish and count the number. Weigh the sample fish and count the number. 3. The weight of sample fish is divided by the number of fishes in the sample to get the average weight. That is the weight of the sample fish which you brought out. Then you divide by the number of the fishes, that is the sample of the fishes you brought out. That will give you the average weight of the fishes. If this is your first time of coming across our video, please subscribe and hit the notification bell. Also follow us on our Facebook page and share. Now, number 4 of the things you should do in calculating the daily food intake is the average weight is multiplied by the total number of fish in the pond to get the weight in the pond. That is, the average weight is multiplied by the total number of fishes in the pond. You see, we are talking about 1000. So you multiply the average weight which you have gotten in number 3 by the total number of that very fish to get the total weight inside the pond, because you cannot bring out all the fishes. Number 5, you multiply the total weight by 5% to get the feed allowance for the day. So if you do this, you'll be able to calculate or get the actual feed that you'll be giving to your fish at a regular interval. So let's demonstrate this now with numbers. For example, if the daily intake of feed in a population of 1000, if the daily intake of feed in a population of 1000, it can be calculated in this form. The first thing I said is that take sample of fish. Let's say we take out 100 pieces from the pond. So this 100 pieces is a sample out of the 1000. Then weigh the 100 fish, weigh it. So let's say the weight from this 100 fishes is 600 gram, is 6000 gram, is 6000 gram. That is what we got from these 100 fishes. So the next thing you do is that divide this 6000 gram by 100, because the weight of the fish divided by the number of fish that you collected from the pond. So if you divide the 6000 by 100, you get 60 gram. That is the average weight. So the total weight of the fish, that is the average weight of each of the fishes now, is 60 grams. So you know that in the pond we are talking about 1000 now. So for you to now know the total weight of the fish inside that very pond, multiply that 60 gram by 1000. That will give you 60,000 gram. So 60,000 gram is the total weight of the fish inside your pond. So we are going to take 5% of it now for the allowances of feed that you'll be giving to them. So multiply the 60,000 gram by 5%, that is 0.5. Now, when you multiply, you will get 3,000 gram or 3 kg. So it then means that your fishes will be taking 3 kg of feed daily. So this very 3 kg should not be given to them once. So if you want to feed them 2 times or 3 times, you break it into, if it's for example 3 times, now you break it into 1 kg in the morning, 1 kg in the afternoon, and 1 kg in the evening. So that will make up for the daily food intake for that very day. Or you feed them twice, that is 1.5 kg in the morning and 1.5 kg in the afternoon. So with this, you'll be able to determine how you can be feeding your fish daily. But this very daily intake should be repeated every 2 weeks so that you'll be able to determine the next level of feed, because after 2 weeks they would have gained a new body weight. So you also repeat the same method again